Hey guys, Sandra here, and today I'm going to talk about, well, actually three things I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to do um, part one today, and these are some things that I find are difficult for most people, mainly number three. So when I get to part three, stick around for part three because that's mainly the one that I find the problem with most marketers. But today I'm doing part one, and what I want to talk about is for part one is business, um, how to make money online. Okay, how to make money, and part one would be business opportunity or product. You have to have a business opportunity or a product in order to have something where you want to make an extra income off of, right? And so, and then you can also have a job, all right? You still have your job. You can use that extra money to build your business opportunity or the product that you're involved with. So, in order to make money, you have to love that product. You have to love it, not just like it, love it. And the reason why I feel that way is because you are getting involved in something that you are going to be talking about. And when you talk about it, you want to be enthusiastic. You want people to know that you're excited and that you're happy to be a part of this opportunity, right? So you have to love what you're getting into, all right? And you have to be able to look into that business opportunity and be able to tell people what it is about. What is it that it can do to help them? You will be able to know how to do that if you love the product. All right. So this is something that people should think about. You know that you should love. You need to love the product that you're getting into. Um, that way, it'll be easy to talk about it. Because if you get into something you don't like, for instance, like in school, if you didn't like math, you really don't you won't have an interest, right? You don't even want to even be bothered to talk about it, right? So you want to get into something that you're going to be happy to talk about and that you love and that you can be ecstatic about. All right, so that would be step one. Would be to find a business opportunity or product that you are very proud of and that you love. Okay? And that would be step one on how to make money online. Stay tuned for step two tomorrow. And remember, you must hustle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. And remember, you must hustle. If you don't have a business opportunity that you're involved with, I will leave a link down below so you can check out what I'm involved with and see if it's a fit for you. Also, what I wanted to say is another reason you should love what you're getting involved with is because you're going to be talking about it and sharing it with other people, and it's going to be a constant thing, like a daily activity that you will be doing in your life, right? Just like you go to work daily, you want to work on your business daily. And so it's going to be something that part of your daily routine. So you have to love what you pick when you pick an opportunity. Okay? All right. So see you on the next video.